Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about Android phone pattern and password removal technique. Basically, this technique consists of two ideal conditions. As we are taking our mobile phone, it must be rooted, and second one is it have Android debugging mode on. So basically, these two conditions are less favorable in public cases. We have less number of mobile phones which are already rooted because no one is so type of geeky guy who roots his mobile phone. Everyone uses it as it is. And another one is Android debugging mode on. So as we all know that only the developer kind of guys uses this type of mode, because this is used to transfer data between the Android and the Windows operating system, or you can say Linux or Mac OS. It acts as an Android debug bridge. So it acts as bridge for the transfer of data between the client and the source. Here we can take client as the mobile phone and the source is our operating system. So without wasting more time, let's go back that we have this phone which have already pattern, so we have to remove this pattern. So we open our command prompt. So this video might get long to 10 to 15 minutes, so we have to make it hurry. So we have to check devices which are connected. ADB devices, we have this emulator dash 5554. So let's connect to this device. ADB shell. The has root meanings we have already super user permissions. If you get the shell with the dollar sign, you are normal user, so just type su to get the root permissions. Okay, now we have to change the directory to cd data system. Now we have log settings.db file. We have to edit the our our values in this file. This is a database file which is written upon a SQLite database. It is like MySQL database, Oracle like database which supports SQL queries. Basically it's a RDBMS database, so you can apply your normal SQL query, select star from table name, something like that. So we have to open this file in a SQLite database. So we firstly have to open SQLite database. So using this dot open file name, our file name is log settings.db. okay, now we have to open the contents of the file, which are rows and columns in the form of tables on the top of tables. So select star from table name, which is log settings. Okay, log settings. We might did something wrong. Dot open log settings, select star from log settings. What we have done wrong here? We have to do it again. Hope it's work. Data system SQLite 3 dot open log settings.db. okay, select star from. Okay, so here now it works. So as we can see that we have to delete the data of two files, or sorry, we have to update the data in two files. The first one is log pattern auto log, and the second one is log pattern visible pattern. So let's do it. So how we update the data in files? We have to just type update query update. update log settings, which is our table name. Well, set value is equal to 0. We have to set the value is equal to 0. Where clause, where name is equal to, we have to select the file which we have to update the value, which is first one is log pattern autolog, log underscore pattern autolog. So log underscore pattern underscore autolog, the file name is correct. Run the query. The second file is update log settings, which is our table name. Set value, set the value is equal to 0. Okay, oh, we did something wrong. Set value is equal to 0. Where clause, log underscore pattern underscore visible pattern underscore visible pattern. So the query is completed. We have to just exit and make it restart. Come on, power off. And power on. So guys, take it on a serious note that we are not hacking. It is not hacking, it is all about cyber security and testing the things and knowing that how the basic things works. Through this video we can understand that how the Android stores its passwords, lock screens, and where the values are getting stored inside the Android. So as we can see that the Android is starting, and if okay, we have done it correct because it requires no pattern now. So the second thing is that we have to keep ourselves in a hurry to give it a pattern password log and update the values of the files of password, none password abcd. Okay, so now it gets locked and it requires password, so we will do it quickly. And adb shell cd data system. Okay, as normal we will open the SQLite database and open the database file settings.db. okay, give the query to get the data, select star from table name, which is log settings. Okay, so here we have to update the values now in 3 files. The first one is log screen.disabled, and the second one is log screen.password type, and the third one is log screen.password underscore type underscore alternate. Guys, keep in mind that while updating the first file log screen.disabled, we have to update the value as 1, not 0. Okay, so let's type our query. Update the table name, which is log settings, set value is equal to 1. Keep in mind about the in commas. Okay, and now where clause, where name is equal to log screen dot disabled, log screen dot disabled. Okay, the attribute name lock screen dot disabled is correct. As you can see, run the query. The second file we have to update is log settings set value is equal to 0, where name is equal to lock screen. The second one is lock screen dot password underscore type dot password underscore type. Guys, while giving the name, keep in mind the spelling must be right, because it's error resistant and we cannot get the error while we put the wrong attribute name lock screen dot disabled underscore password type. Lock screen dot password underscore type attribute name is, oh god, update lock settings set value is equal to 0, where name is equal to password type. Okay, hope it works. The third one is log settings set where name is equal to log screen dot password type dot alternate. We recheck the query, update log settings set value 0, where name lock screen dot password underscore type underscore alternate. Okay, our query is completed. We have to just exit from it. Exit. Okay, now we have to only restart our Android phone. Restart. Okay, it's running. Okay, so guys, it's not hacking, it's all about learning the basics. Before going into the field of ethical hacking, cybersecurity, we have to first understand the basic things, how the basic things works. As you know, some of the you might have seen the web series or films of Sherlock Holmes. There you can see that Sherlock Holmes all tells Watson that it's elementary. So now this is elementary. You have to just understand how things works. And sometimes you get puzzled, you get confused what is going on and how it is done. So just try to understand, dig things up more deeply, and one day you will get the answer of all the things. Just keep doing, please don't stop. It's your life. Okay, so we have successfully bypassed the password lock and as well as pattern lock using this method. So this video is might getting long, so we have to just complete it now. So see you guys in the next video. We'll have great talks. Bye.